Here is Music AI app. As you can see, it's called AI Cover and Songs Music AI. There are a bunch of apps in this category, but this app seems it just was built by this company, which also built some other apps quite popular with AI. Create AI covers with your favorite celebrity voices and share your musical masterpiece with the world. Perfect vocal change music AI state-of-the-art AI technology will replace the original vocals in any song with your favorite celebrities. Text to music, share it with the world. So yeah, here you can just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it, and then you will just can create AI covers. You can pick a song, pick a voice, go viral, turn words into the music. So here you can just open it up, and then you will just see the app, how it looks like. You can allow the tracking, then you can just continue. And then create music with your words. There is some, of course, there is a upgrade where you can upgrade for $5 per week or $40 lifetime. That can be a good deal. And then there is like a deal to get like $30 lifetime. And then tap share button, copy link. So pick a song, pick a voice, and then just create. So just paste any YouTube kind of link. So just on the YouTube you can just share, copy link, and then you can just select some popular song, and then you can just pick a voice, and then just select any audio, and then just add any new voice cover to that song. So it's pretty cool. And then these are the songs you can just add. Then there is AI music. You can enter a prompt and then just create AI music as similar as you create visuals. So you can do that. And then there is also library. Let's create your first song. So then you can just try a bunch of AI songs which were already created. So that's pretty cool app. It's quite high in the charts these days. Also, you can just create stunning AI videos. That's another app which you can try. So that's what it is. So give it a try.